movie. In fact, I mean the beautiful way in which they have correlated mythology with the present day times has been very beautifully portrayed, and the lot of surprise elements in the movie in terms of lot of surprise characters, having Mrinal Thakur, Dulquer Salmaan as Prabhas' father, several elements which add a lot to the movie. You have Rajamouli, you have a lot of people who add a lot of special element to the movie. Of course, the main characters, be it Amitabh Bachchan or Prabhas, Kamal Hassan, all of them. Deepika has done a very good job overall in the movie. She's the one who brings in some sort of soul to the movie, some sort of emotion to the movie, and I think overall it has done really well.
Past, present, future చూపించారంటే
అవును చాలా బాగా చూపించారు. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ మహాభారత్ నుంచి చాలా పార్ట్స్ తీసుకున్నారు, అండ్ కనెక్టింగ్ థింగ్స్ లైక్ మహాభారత mythological things to the present day times has been very beautifully portrayed in this movie.
ఆర్జీవి గారు కానీ రాజమౌళి గారు కానీ
అవును, ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ రాజమౌళి గారు వచ్చాక చాలా కామెడీ ఎలిమెంట్ యాడ్ చేశారు. With his quirky dialogues have been were fun to watch, and of course I think one more highlight of the movie is the Bujji a car which has been a very good character, and in fact chala comedy element add chesindi. It's the conversation between Prabhas and Bujji has been the most comic element, has added a lot of comic element to the movie. Part 2, I'm waiting for part 2. I mean, it's really interesting to see what will happen next, and I think Amitabh Bachchan uplifted the movie in terms of how he acted, and he increased the stature of the movie, I would say. Beat Checha Telidu Kani, it has done as well as Bahubali. I mean, in terms of the effects, it's the costliest movie which has been made so far, and the way, I mean, the graphics that were done was amazing. I mean, they've in fact built an entire city which you can now I think see in Ramoji Film City. The way they've built a city, Kasi, has been really amazing. The effects were very good. Even the fight sequences were so amazing to see that I think it's been very good. I mean, the directors and the producers have done an extremely good job. I mean, we have seen before that they have done a very good job with Mahanati or Jati Ratnalu or Sita Ramam, and they continue to do a fabulous job even with Kalki. And I mean, the cast that they have brought in have really uplifted the movie, and overall it has been an amazing movie.
What was given the rating?
4. I'll give a 4 on 5.
Any minus?